If you choose to change the background of this page, click on Background Management tool, which is towards the left bottom side. As you can see, there are many templates to choose from. You can easily choose the template that you want. Click on uh, Apply to All or this page. So let me click on this page and you can see that the background has been added. However, if you would like to add any of your template to the background, to do that, click on this option here, which says Add Background Images. As I click on this, it will take me to pictures. Any picture that you would like to use as a template, click on that and open. Click on this picture. It will ask you, do you wish to apply the selected background to all the pages or this page? Let me click on this page and you can see that the same picture has been used as the template. So in this way, you can either use the templates that are already provided to you, or you can upload or you can import another background of your choice.